In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix unidentified network, no internet access on your Windows. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we just need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. Okay, the same thing as what you can see on the screen. It's ncpa.cpl. Control panel item, click on that, and you will be directed into the network connections window. And here you can find your Wi-Fi or your connection. So what you can do is you just need to make a right click and then select properties. Now here in the properties window, you have to locate the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and click on the properties button. And here you will find the option use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. For the preferred DNS server, we need to type in here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, you need to type in here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK and then close everything. Close all the windows. For the next method is we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So for that, you have to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. Then on the right pane, you will find the option run as administrator. So just click on that. And here in the command prompt window, we just need to simply type this command. So not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video. First command is netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command ipconfig space /flushdns. Hit enter. Now type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then for the next method, we just need to make a right click at the start button, and here we need to look for device manager. So you need to click on that to open the device manager window. Then from here, you just need to simply locate network adapters, this one. Click on this arrow to expand and locate your network adapter. So this is mine from here. Then you need to make a right click and then select the uninstall device option and click on the uninstall button. Now once you have uninstalled the driver, then you need to restart your Windows by right clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the driver that you have uninstalled from your Windows. So do not forget to restart your Windows. And for the final method, we have to click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on network and internet. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll find advanced network settings. And here under more settings, we need to look for network reset. Click on that. So this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So click on the reset now button that corresponds to the network reset. And then you have to click on yes. And then that will restart your Windows. And you have to re-enter your connection password. And that's it. Okay, so if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.